How to make your Pinterest account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Pinterest account private. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now from here, you simply have to tap again on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. So from here, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as Profile Visibility, and now under the Profile Visibility at the top, you can see the option labeled as Private Profile. So simply enable that option by toggling on the option, and once you do that, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following list. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.